So for Halloween, Stephen Curry arrived at the Oracle Arena dressed up as Jigsaw. And he tried to prank Draymond Green, but nothing scares Draymond Green like nuts. If Draymond Green saw it not, he'd be like, oh, and then he would start kicking out of nowhere, you know what I'm saying? So Stephen Curry dressed up as Jigsaw. Now, I don't know if Draymond Green knew that was Stephen Curry behind that mask. I bet you that if Stephen Curry had dressed up as Balls, Draymond Green would have been scared and kicking. As a matter of fact, all Stephen Curry had to do was dress up as defense. Whenever Draymond Green sees defense, he gets scared and he starts kicking. So Stephen Curry dressed up as Jigsaw for Halloween. Kevin Durant dressed up as a snake. I mean, he's always dressed up as a snake. So I mean, no surprise there. But overall, Stephen Curry had a great game as he passes it to Klay Thompson. And Klay Thompson gets that easy floater at the free throw line. In this game, Stephen Curry, he had 8 assists, 6 rebounds. It's right here, Stephen Curry finds JaVale McGee. Right here, Kevin Durant finds Stephen Curry, and Curry somehow makes that. You know Curry don't miss that well like water. And right here, look at this play by Stephen Curry. Right here, look at Stephen Curry. He fakes it and passes it to Sean Livingston, and Sean Livingston passes it back to Stephen Curry, and he gets that easy layup. Right here, Sean Livingston finds Stephen Curry, and he pulls up. Chef Curry won't miss. And right here, Kevin Durant tries to alley-oop it, but he doesn't go. And right here, Stephen Curry gets the offensive rebound and he lays it up and one. And right there, look at Stephen Curry. He's kicking. I mean, Stephen Curry came in dressed as Jigsaw, but right now he's looking like Draymond Green. I mean, Curry, chill. You might get fined for kicking in the direction of an NBA fan. I mean, it's still crazy to me how the NBA fined Bradley Beal $50,000, which is the same amount that they fined Stephen Curry for simply throwing his mouthpiece in the direction of an NBA ref. That's interesting. And right here, Stephen Curry passes it to Draymond Green, and Draymond Green gets that easy floater. Stephen Curry back again, finds Andre Iguodala, and he dunks it. So I mean, Stephen Curry had a great game, but the Warriors, they still lost.